Hello and welcome to my channel, Making Crafts. Today I'm going to be unboxing the subscription box from Your Creative Studio, and I've gone ahead and cut the tape loose so that it would be easier to get it open on camera. So there's their logo if you're wanting to know how to spell it to look it up. And here isn't that a beautiful little card? Okay, so I love the paper already. I could see using that in a journal somewhere. I'll try to open it without tearing the paper. Okay, so first on top, let's see what this little box is. It's got butterfly on the front, so this is, let me see if I can get them out. Ooh, little butterfly stickers, and it's a whole box full of stickers. I don't know if you can see in there. There's even more down in there. But it's tons of butterfly stickers, and they're so pretty. These would be great on tags and journaling cards and different things. Oops, sorry for that noise. Different things in our junk journals. So I love those, and I'm just going to leave everything laid out, and then I'll put it all back in once I get through unboxing. And so this one says vintage labels on it, and I absolutely love this little box. This is a neat little box. You could reuse it or actually alter it and make something else out of it, you know, decorate it up. But I like the front of it already. But look at all these labels in here. That's awesome. Those are great. You're always needing labels when you're collaging and doing tags and journals. So that's nice. I love that. Okay, so this says clean stamp. Let's get this open. And, oh, it's a butterfly stamp. I absolutely love butterflies and like using them everything. So it looks like this kit was made for me because it looks like there's a lot of butterflies. I see more butterflies here, so I think this is a butterfly set. This month, the theme of this subscription box, and that is so neat. And so that's a good sized butterfly as well. Let's just see here. It measures about 2.5 by 2, and I love it because I have really gotten into stamping lately. And so this will work good for some of my projects. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. So here it looks like we have some acetate butterflies. And I don't know if you can see them real good. It's all different color butterflies in there. That's very pretty. This is a great box. Let's see what this one says. Okay, so this is another clean stamp. I'm trying to save the bags. I think I'll reuse a lot of this. A lot of this stuff in here, the packaging is great. We could reuse this in our journals. So there we go. I love how everything is packaged. So let's see what this one is. Oh, you get 2 butterfly stamps here. So you're getting, so now let me get the other one out and we'll look at it. So you have 3 different size stamps in this kit. Maybe I should have left this one out. So you've got 3 different sizes. So this one fits right inside that 1-inch block. So it's about, I guess, about 3/4 by 1. And then you have this one. Let me see if I can see here. It's about a, what, 1 3/4 by 2 1/4. And then you have that one. So I love that. The 3 different sizes. That's great. Let's just lay this. I'm going to lay it all aside, and then I can put it back in the packaging later. So let's just lay this here. That way you can kind of see what all is in this box. There is so much already. Okay. So now this, what is this? It says, fly to you, you are special to me. Oh, look at that. It's like a little tag or a little bookmark. That is cute. It's almost like a little gift tag maybe. You could use it for just about anything you wanted to. And I love the packaging of that as well. Okay. Ooh, look at these. So this is sticky notes, and it's little butterfly ones. So you didn't have to use those as sticky notes though. Those would be great added to a journal or added to a card or anything that you were working on. Okay, what is this? Loft Book Collection Series. Let's open that up and see what that is. I'm absolutely loving all of this. I love how everything is packaged as well, like a little leather cord there. I really hate to unpackage it. I don't know if I'll get it back together right. Let's see here. But we've got to unpackage it to use it, don't we? So you've got lots of little different pages in there, just little mini book pages, which would be great. This would be great as a base of a journaling card, and then you could add your little butterfly on top. We're going to have to make a project with this kit. So you'll have to look for that video coming soon. I'm going to create some projects using these bits and pieces that come in this kit, because there's a lot in here and there's a lot you could create with it. Oh, this is good. I love this paper. I have some similar to this. I think it's called rice paper, but it has like your little bits and pieces in it. See, this has got like little, looks like leaves of plants and dried plants and stuff in it. So that's neat. So, oops, I pulled something with this. So this is some stickers, butterfly stickers, and those are beautiful. I love that purple there. And then this says paper ephemera. So let's see what this is. So we've got round butterflies. So these are like cardstock. This is good and thick too. I don't know if you can hear that. It's good and thick. And then we have butterflies. Let's see here. Just different shapes, like a label style butterfly. And there's another label style. We have a really large butterfly. That's really nice. And you get several of each one, which I love when it does, when things do that. So you've got tags or labels shape, and then just a butterfly shape, and just different ones. Oh, look at that. I love those colors. Isn't that beautiful? So we're definitely going to have to make a project with these items. Looks like I need to make a butterfly journal. That would be a lot of fun. And this kit would really help with the butterfly journal, because you would have all the embellishments that you needed from this one kit. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. It's so many things. So this looks like some stamps, and I'm going to figure these are stickers, but if they're, let me see here. Just pull them out. And let's just see, you get all kinds. You've got dragonflies, you've got butterflies, you've just got all kinds of things, and then you've got this little, I forgot what you call that. Let me see if this is a sticker. Yes, that is. These are stickers, so that is great. So you can just stick them on your journaling cards. Oh, look at this one. That is so pretty. Oh, that one's gorgeous. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Let me see if I can. I don't know if I can zoom in. Let's see here. Let me see. It's just some flowers with some like little bees and bugs, but let me see if I can zoom in here. Take me just a second. The lighting's not going to be good enough, is it? There we go. And let me put it down here and see. Maybe you can see it better down here. There we go. So that is really pretty. There's a lot of pretty things in here. I love anything with like nature and butterflies and insects. Okay, this one will be, I can put this one back in here. That's fairly simple. Put back in. The packaging is even great. Once again, you've got great packaging. You could use that little postcard. So let's see what we have. We have more ephemera here. Let's take a look at this. I'll move this out of the way now because I think this is the last thing. So these are some journaling cards, I do believe. But you could use them as journaling cards. Oh yeah, they're cardstock. You could use these as journaling cards, but you could also use these as pockets in your journal. And if you were making a mini journal, you might could even use it as part of your page. These are gorgeous. These are very pretty images. And I love how everything goes together. So if you notice, these labels match this paper. So all of this, I love the theme this month. This was the perfect theme for her to send me. I had no idea what was going to be in it and what theme it was, but the butterfly theme is absolutely perfect for me. And so now I feel inspired that I need to go and make a butterfly journal. So that will probably be in my near future, a butterfly journal. So I'm just going to put everything back in here. But I just wanted to show this to you. And thank you so much to Your Creative Studio for sending this to me. I really appreciate it. I absolutely love everything in it. It's almost as though you went shopping for me and picked out everything I would love. And so I do like this. This is a neat idea to make a box like this. I've got these stuck together. To make a box like this, to have a theme like this so that you could have embellishments and things for your journal. Had to get that pulled apart. Trying to put everything back up. But I do like this idea. This is great. So I will link below to their website as well as their Instagram. I originally saw them on Instagram, and then they also have a website, so I will send you there, and this is just a subscription box, and you can check it out and check out all they have. I really like this. This is perfect. This is a perfect subscription box for junk journals. I'm always looking for subscription boxes because years ago I did one when I first started really getting into making cards. I got a subscription box from another company that showed you how to make cards each month, and that was neat. And now that I'm into junk journals, it's really neat. This is a really neat box for journals because you've got your whole little theme here that you can make up and use embellishments in your journal. So I love this. And you wouldn't have to just make a butterfly journal. This could be just something you add to any journal. You could just use these in any journal that you're working on. So I think I'll just close that back up and save it. Keep it all together so I don't lose my pieces yet. And I'm going to set this aside because I do want to use some of this in the upcoming week. And so be on the lookout for a video using these bits and pieces. Well, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to look in the description below for a link to their store. Well, I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye.